My name is BJ Nikkel. I'm from Colorado, from northern Colorado in Loveland. I went to the House of Representatives and served there as a state representative and as House Majority Whip for 4 years. Am since out and starting to work on some more criminal justice issues, which were important to me when I served in the legislature, and looking forward to working on them more in my state and then also with Right on Crime. That it's important to communicate with our colleagues across the aisle. It's just like we work in business, in the business world or elsewhere. We have to work together with other people that we may not necessarily agree with always, but we find common ground. And so when we can find common ground, let's try to work together on the issues that are important to us. And I think what I did in Colorado with the help of many others is just built a coalition of individuals within the legislature and outside of the legislature, organizations like Right on Crime and others as well that were very helpful to provide information, be there for testimony, and just basically help be a voice in the community to help define what the problem is, how we're over-criminalizing our people, and let's try to get back to what our founding fathers wanted to do in the first place, which was just provide for a fair judicial system for our people. I don't really honestly know that many people on the left that are opposed to it, to be quite frank. I mean, in Colorado, we have a lot of my Democratic colleagues are very much in favor of criminal justice reform. Those that I would say who may not be in favor, it could be largely what I find when people are campaigning for a position, they become less open, I think, about trying to support things. Everybody wants to appear tough on crime. And so I think, you know, when people are free to be who they really want to be when they are representing the people and less worried about whether they're going to get elected again or not, that's the important thing. So, well, I think with my Republican colleagues, it's largely that they are afraid of appearing soft on crime. We have a strong DA lobby in the state of Colorado, and many other states do as well. And so they, they put a lot of pressure on legislators to stick with them on these issues. They don't want to release the power that they have, and in some cases, as it was with the direct file law, it was sole power that they had over these kids, these youth's lives to determine what their charge was going to be, what the sentence was going to be, and where they were going to go, all without even going before a judge. And so being able to communicate messages like this to my Republican colleagues and telling them stories of instances where that's actually happened made a big difference.